Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check for Brave rewards. So once you open up your browser, you're going to see right here the Brave rewards appearing in front of you, and you're going to see the amount of profits that you gained throughout your browsing your Brave, right? Your Brave browser. So basically you're going to be able to see it right here. All right, if you don't know, or if you don't see the Brave rewards section right here appearing in front of you, what you're gonna do, and you want to actually make it appear right here, what you're gonna do, click the three bars at the top right, and then go ahead and click on the settings, and you're gonna see a new window, basically a new page opening up for you. Just go ahead and click the second option right here, appearance, and then just go ahead in the left side tool, and then scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here, show Brave rewards button, and make sure that you turn this one on so you can see your rewards on Brave. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.